In this video, I'll show you how to set up automatic WhatsApp notifications for your WooCommerce store, for both customers and admins. And the best part is, this plugin is completely free. First, go to the link in the description. Open the website, click Download, and on the download page, copy your license key. Now head over to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then Add New and click Upload Plugin. Select the plugin zip file, click Install, and then click Activate. After activation, paste your license key here and click Activate. Once activated, a QR code will appear. Open WhatsApp on your phone, go to Linked Devices, and scan the QR code. Once connected, your session is active. Now send a test message to confirm everything is working. If you receive the message, then everything is set up correctly. Next, go to the Settings page. Enter your country code here. Then choose which order statuses should send messages, such as pending, processing, or canceled. You can adjust everything based on what you want your customers to receive. Now enter the admin WhatsApp number. This is the number that will receive notifications whenever a new order comes in. And that's it. Your store is now fully automated. Customers get instant updates, and you get notified immediately when orders are placed. Again, this plugin is completely free, so go ahead and grab it from the link in the description, install it, and start automating your WooCommerce store today.